Hey, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today we're going to be making some absolutely delicious smothered chicken. Now, I know the weather's a little bit cooler and you want some comfort food. Now, I'm going to tell you, this right here, simple recipe, it's absolutely delicious and it's going to bring back some memories. Hey, I got you in the game so you can make it today. Now, without further ado, let's go down to this recipe and focus on the smothered chicken. Alright fam, I like to start off with my veggies first. So we going in with the bell pepper and then we got an onion, right? So I probably use like half of this bell pepper and then this is gonna give it like some bursts of flavor. And then this onion right here is gonna be for that gravy. Now we're gonna get this bad boy cut up and we're gonna be in the game, fam. And with this bell pepper, you know, I don't want like huge slices. Like I said, I want bursts of flavor. So I'm gonna cut them, you know, a little bit on the smaller side so it can give me some nice little bursts of flavor when you take a bite out of that smothered chicken. The fall time, hey, I love fall time because a nice chili, right? Nice little soup with some cornbread. Yes, sir. Now, what this onion right here, what I want to do is, you know, I'm gonna make these into like half moons, right? And then we'll just do like that. And then this will be, you know, introduced when we start making that gravy. So I got 4 chicken thighs right there. And like I said, I want to keep this simple. So I'm going in with this seasoning right here, this all-purpose blend, the usual. And you're going to be in the game with this, right? And like I said, I don't want to overcomplicate it. I want to keep it simple so you can make this quick and you can get this on your table. So what we'll do is we'll season front side and we'll get to that back side, make sure we get everything seasoned up, right? I got about a cup or so of flour, and then we're gonna go in about a tablespoon of that usual seasoning. We want to just mirror what we season our chicken with so we can season this flour. And anytime you frying something, man, you want to make sure that your flour is seasoned right. Now, when you can see that seasoning in that flour, then you good to go, fam. If you can't see your seasoning in your flour, then you need a little bit more seasoning. Let's coat this chicken and this flour, that seasoned flour, fam. Hey, we're gonna be ready to go. So what we want to do is we want to, you know what I'm saying, kind of like flash fry these chicken thighs before we get it in that gravy, and then we're gonna put it in that oven so it can do what it do. But just like that, fam. Hey, let it sit a little bit because you want that flour to, you know what I'm saying, adhere to the skin of this chicken. Hey, we're gonna be in the game. All right, fam, we're gonna go in with a little bit of oil. And then we're working over medium heat. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go skin down first. All right, fam, once you get a nice little light brown color on your chicken like this, hey, that's perfect. So what we'll do is we'll let that backside get a little color on it, and then we'll be in the game, fam. But really what we're trying to do is get some fun on the bottom of his pan so we can work with that and make some absolutely delicious gravy. All right, fam, that backside is cooked enough. Like I said, just like that, hey, you in the game, fam. So we're gonna set these to the side and we're gonna work on that gravy. And that chicken is done, and we got that fun on the bottom of that pan, which we're gonna pull off with these onions, and we're gonna add about a couple tablespoons of butter, and we're gonna make some gravy. All right, fam, these onions have softened up, you know, just a little bit where we want them to be. We don't want to go like all the way. And then I'm gonna add some of that bell pepper. Matter of fact, all my bell pepper, like so. And then, fam, we got that seasoned flour, about 2-3 tablespoons of flour, and we're gonna add it here, and we're gonna make this gravy, fam. And I'm gonna let those flavors simmer a little bit, let that flour cook just a little bit, so it's not like a little floury taste. And then when everything starts sticking together, hey, we're gonna add about a cup or so of chicken broth. Fam, we on our way to making some absolutely delicious gravy. Now we're gonna let everything thicken up, and as you can see, it doesn't take long for this to thicken, fam. Now I got me some browning seasoning sauce, so we're gonna add just a little bit, about a teaspoon or so. Get everything mixed in, and then after everything is mixed in, fam, and it's looking good, smelling good, what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of garlic to the mix. Fam, this is smelling absolutely delicious. Then after that, I'm gonna add about 1/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream. Look at that, fam. Ooh-wee. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. So once we get everything mixed in, then now what we gonna do is we gonna bring those chicken thighs back in, like so. And preheat your oven up 350 degrees, and we're gonna let this go until this chicken is ready to go, fam. Yes, sir. You're gonna add a little bit of that gravy on top. We're gonna put this in the oven and let this cook the rest of the way. I'm gonna put a lid on this, hey, and we're gonna be in the game. All right, fam, we pulled this out the oven. It's looking good. This thing is steaming hot. Get some of that gravy, that onion gravy. Baste that chicken. Hey, I got them greens. Got that chicken right there. And you already know, man, we gotta get some of that gravy. Right? Can't forget that gravy. Get a little bit over that rice. Get you some of those onions. And I like my gravy, man. So, hey, this is that soul food, right? That comfort food. Hey, put a little bit over that chicken. Hey, yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. We in the game. Ooh-wee. Okay, let me get some of that rice and that chicken, smothered chicken. Yes, sir. Now that, fam, that is absolutely delicious. Hey, I'm gonna go in for another bite of this. Man, that's good. And then pair it with those collard greens. Hey, you in the game. Now, if you're new to the channel and you like this content, go ahead and smash that like button. Don't forget, smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you know when I release my content. And then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Now, for the Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, you already know what I gotta do. I gotta smash into the smothered chicken. And I'll see you on the next recipe because I'm about to roll out. Peace.